Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably
Hey, yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jernay here. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. As you can see by the title, I'm about to do a little inventory haul I've never done before, so I'm super excited to see one up for y'all. I got like OD lip gloss on right now, but we're gonna just ignore that. So yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video or are interested in these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below in the comment section, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start the first thing I'm sitting next to me, which is these. And these are the boxes that I use for my starter kits. And they just like some little pink boxes. They are 8x5 boxes or whatever. And like I said, I just got those for my starter kits so that I can just package them up real cute and stuff like that. If you're familiar with my brand Joy Couture, then you already know my theme is like pretty much kind of just a lot of pink because that's my favorite color. So my brand is built around pink. So yeah. Okay, so next thing is, I had these for like over a month now, but I didn't really open and use them yet. And these is just some little lip scrub containers, because I want to start making lip scrub. It's just some lip scrub containers, and I got these off of Amazon. So yeah, I see a lot of people use these, so I kind of don't want to use them a little bit because like a lot of people already use those and they're real popular. But just to start off, I'm gonna just probably just start off with them and then try to branch off and find like some type of different lip scrub containers to use and shit, because I don't like having the same shit everybody else have. That's one thing about me. If I see everybody else got something, I'm gonna be like, oh girl, I don't want it. I'm like, oh, okay. So next thing, y'all, are these tubes I recently got. Now I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. Okay, so yeah, it's this style brush. This is the style brush it is. You see it is a tip. It's not like a wand like other ones. It is a tip. And these are my new tubes or whatever. And this is how it looks. I didn't put it all the way on, but so y'all gotta excuse my nails, y'all. But as you can see, like, it's real, like, I don't know, just look classy to me. Like the cap, how it's got clear and black. But yeah, y'all. Now I do have these available for I have those available for purchase on my website for my lip gloss baby girl, one of the ones that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, right now I'm not wholesaling them. I will be wholesaling something very similar to those soon, and then I'll get back to y'all later on like me wholesaling those exact ones, because right now it's just, you know, with all this stuff going on, it's just hard to do stuff. Okay, so next, y'all, I want to show y'all my lashes. People who have had my lashes love them, but I'm not gonna lie, my lashes don't get that much, I feel like, too much recognition. I haven't added them on my site yet because I don't have the cases that I want. Let me just show y'all up here. Oh my goodness, I can't even off. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all here. This is a pair of one of the lashes, y'all. This is one pair. Yeah. And these are my other two styles. Now, if you know me, you know I like real long, thick, and dramatic lashes. These ones right here are actually my favorite, the ones that I wear all the time. So, yeah. Yeah, I just got those recently. I'm really, like I said, my brand, I'm really a fan of the big, like, fluffy lashes. I just got lip gloss in my hair, y'all. But I'm a fan of big lashes and stuff like that, so, yeah. Okay, so next, y'all, I'm going to show y'all my other tubes. These are, like, my main tubes or whatever you want to call them. And oh my goodness, I don't know why they shipped it in this, but it's like a big old freaking Huggies. It's not even Huggies because it's like, I don't know, y'all know that's another language. So it looks like it was a diaper box though, but I don't know. These are my tubes. Y'all already know I do the silver and the gold tubes, and these are pretty much them, and this is just like a big old box full of them. And it also comes with the stoppers or whatever so that the lip gloss isn't messy. So yeah. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna show y'all is my new 17-ounce lip gloss bags, and these are here. Now what I love about these bags is they just like so freaking big. Like, they're much bigger than the 8.5 ounce bags. They're twice the size, so you get twice the amount of gloss. And I do have this available only right now for a lip gloss base. I don't have all the colors available for this size right now, but I'm probably gonna add all the colors for this size, because my lip gloss, well, really, I can't really say something is more popular than not, because the lip gloss base is popular, but so are a lot of other colors and stuff like that. So I will be adding that in lip gloss bag form real soon. So next thing I'm gonna show y'all is just this package right here. And y'all, all this is Versagel. I just got a couple bags or whatever. Oh shit. I just got a couple bags or whatever of Versagel, because everybody know, for the most part, that's mostly how most of us make our lip gloss, with Versagel. Yeah, why did I struggle when I could cut it open? So yeah, I just got one bag of Versagel, and I got another bag of Versagel. So yeah, I got 2 bags of Versagel. So y'all know we gotta keep it coming. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna show y'all is this big old freaking box. And this box just contains all my mailers. This is what it looks like, y'all. And like I said, my brand is Pink, so it contains all of these pretty little pink mailers. And I do have to get more sizes and stuff like that for my mailers, but right now I have those, and I have some more coming on the way. I'm gonna do an inventory haul part 2, because I'll be having a lot of stuff coming, like on the daily. I get a lot of packages on a daily basis, so really I could really be doing hella inventory hauls. Y'all, the next thing I'm gonna show y'all is some more boxes. You gotta have a lot of boxes when you got your own business, especially if you like me and you shipping out stuff like every single week. You need boxes. So I have this big old box of boxes. These are just the boxes that I use. You just put it together. You know how you put together a box. And these are the boxes I use. Now, I use these for my starter kits when I'm packaging up starter kits, or if someone orders wholesale lip gloss tubes and I package them in these pink boxes, then I'll turn around and use one of these boxes. And these dimensions for this box, it's like a 9x9x4 or something like that. So it's not big at all. It's a really small box, and it fits everything. For my starter kits, it's the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small, y'all. So if you got your own business, make sure you invest in you some boxes. You're gonna need a lot of boxes if you're shipping out, or if you're an upcoming business, whatever the case. You're gonna need boxes, mailers. Make sure you stock up on that type of stuff, because you don't want mailers or boxes to be the reason why you can't ship out your product. Something that, you know, small. So make sure you always stay stocked up, whether it's lip gloss base if you sell lip and make lip gloss, or lashes if you do lashes. Whatever you do, y'all, just make sure you stay stocked up on it, because especially right now with this coronavirus stuff, make sure y'all getting y'all stuff, ordering it ahead of time, so that you don't run out of stuff, because it's happened to me a couple times already with this coronavirus. I have ran out of stuff, and y'all, even though something going on in the world, people don't care. People not gonna be always patient or be like, oh yeah, I understand. So, you know, I've had some impatient customers. Most of them, they are very understanding, because they know, like, with the epidemic going on and stuff, it's super hard to like get stuff quickly. Like, it wouldn't be this hard if this stuff wasn't going on, but it's whatever, y'all. And so yeah, y'all, but yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up this inventory haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see from me next, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, y'all. I've been doing really good pushing on my videos as of lately. We gonna keep this up. We quarantining and chilling, so it's not nothing, you know, it ain't nothing to do anyway, so why not get this shit done, get this content out for y'all, show y'all these lip gloss videos. And yeah, y'all, road to 10,000. Yeah, road to 10,000, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, y'all, subscribe to my channel for more lip gloss videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.